What's up YouTubers, it's Ame here. Today we are unboxing a Matchbox 2023 BMW M2 in red, a new casting for 2025 with 77 out of 125. There's a BMW logo on the back. There's a BMW trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have black grille, passenger side with black wheels, rear with black license plate, driver side, and roof with black roof. And there's no code. Okay, be sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.